Hello, my nickname is Builder, and this is a set of how to do homeschool. I'm doing FLVS, so this is usually what I look. I'm in 4th grade, and this is my whole set. That's my PC. And everything else is my books that I need in order to complete my own school. So in order to do this, I just need to turn on my computer, my PC. And I have my own classroom. You don't need your own classroom though. You can just do it in your room or do it differently. You don't need a classroom necessarily, but if you want like me and you have a room to spare or you have an empty room, then sure, you can turn that room. As you can see, I've been doing homework. This is an old pace chart. This is last week's pace chart. I'm in 4th grade and I'm 10 years old. I turned 10 years old I turned 10 a couple days ago. So this is my brother's set, his computer desk. He also does FLVS. You can see his desk is a little messy because he's been doing some homework. But this is how you would technically do if you had a classroom. Well, it doesn't matter how your classroom looks like. The only thing that matters is that you have internet and that you can connect to school. You can do it in your kitchen you can do it in the kitchen or in the living room or in your bedroom. Sometimes if you want to be lazy. But you can also make your own classroom, which if you make it all, you can have your own room to do school. Well, I do the classroom because that's the most efficient way. You could do it in your other part, like your living room, like I used to do. But now, if you have a spare room to spare, or if you have a room that is empty and has nothing but just walls, the ordinary, well then make a school there. Get your PC, move everything. If you have a brother, then you can also move him to come. There's also books here so that you can do. I have those in case of PE. So if you do PE or Spanish or language charts, you would need you only need those for PE because if you have earbuds that need Bluetooth, then forget. But if you have headphones that are Bluetooth, also you can use those. That if they're headphones like cableized, you need those. Or if earbuds, also you need those. So this is just a tutorial of how my classroom looks like. From now on, I'm going to start making videos inside this computer. You might not see it, but in this computer, I'm going to start making videos showing you how FLVS works and how you can do homeschool at home. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.